All right, here we go. Another project. You know me, staying busy. This back railing is in need of a paint job desperately. It is very weathered. The paint just kind of chipped off, and as you can see, it is in need of a paint job. So we're going to get this done one step at a time. You know how we do it. A little bit of elbow grease, some hard work. I didn't video me sanding it, but you can understand that I just sanded this thing down a little bit. Here we are taping it off. Yeah, getting those nice crisp lines. Later I'll go back and paint that white because it has some blue on it from this previous paint job. And here we go. Oh my Christ, this took forever. I didn't realize how much of a bitch painting a railing is, but I don't recommend it. Like 0 out of 10, totally. But one step at a time, I got it done. All the little nooks and crannies and crevices and little areas. I didn't use the paint sprayer on this because I felt that there would just be way too much prep work to do, you know, with all the taping off and everything. So I just used a brush, and I'm kind of glad I did because there were just so many areas. It would have been drips everywhere if I tried to use the paint sprayer on this, and I would have made more of a mess. And this just looks great. I'm so happy with this vibrant green. It's a nice New England farm style green. I forget the name of it. But look, all those little nooks and crannies. Yeah, got them, baby. Got them. This looks so much better than it did. Very happy.